In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Vanilla Visa gift card on eBay using the best method available. First things first, let's make sure your Vanilla Visa gift card is set up correctly. You'll want to register your card by visiting balance.vanillagift.com. When you get to the site, you'll need to enter a few essential details such as your card number, its expiration date, and the CVV, which is the 3-digit security code typically found on the back of your card. This registration process is crucial because it ensures that your card is ready to use for online transactions. Once that's done, the next step is to add your Vanilla Visa card to PayPal. You'll start by heading over to paypal.com and logging into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to set up. Having a PayPal account is a convenient way to manage your online payments. Once you're logged in, navigate to the wallet section, and from there you'll want to select the option to link a card. Here is where you'll input the details for your Vanilla Visa gift card, just as you did during the registration process, making sure everything is entered accurately. After you've double checked everything, go ahead and click Link Card to add your gift card to your PayPal account. Now that your Vanilla Visa is linked with PayPal, you're all set to shop on eBay. Choose the items you wish to purchase and add them to your cart. When you're ready to check out, you'll see the usual payment options. This time, select PayPal as your payment method. The beauty of having your Vanilla Visa linked to PayPal is that it allows your gift card to fund your purchases seamlessly through PayPal. So, once you've selected PayPal, the transaction will automatically draw from your linked Vanilla Visa gift card. All that's left to do is confirm your order and complete the payment. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully used your Vanilla Visa gift card to make a purchase on eBay via PayPal. This method not only enhances security by using PayPal as an intermediary, but it also simplifies the payment process, allowing you to leverage gift cards for online shopping with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy shopping, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or if you'd like further clarification on any of the details. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.